The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is one of the most leaked devices right now. Every single day, we have seen multiple leaks and rumors about the device, which includes their camera sensor, performance, display, and pretty much everything we know about the S23 Ultra device. Well, today we have got another leak coming from the reliable leakster IC which confirmed the Unpacked event date, and it's going to be the February 1st. Basically, on its Twitter account, he has shared the Unpacked event for the Galaxy S23 series, and it's going to be coming in the first week or the first day of the February next year. The same leak has been appeared through another leakster, RG Cloud, who has mentioned that particular leak back in November 28, where he confirms that February 1 will be the date when we are going to finally see the S23 series to be launched. Now, he also confirms that if the COVID situation is going to be coming, S23 series launch is going to be delayed up till to February 8, and it's going to be based in South Korea, and it will be a live event. This is going to be for the first time since from 2019 that it is going to be an in-person event in San Francisco. Now, the Galaxy S23 Ultra will be coming with a similar design as the S22 Ultra right now. The only difference you will feel is going to be a little bit on the boxier side as compared to the S22 Ultra. The display is going to be different. We have the 6.8-inch Super AMOLED display that is coming for the S23 Ultra, and this display technology is going to be an E6 OLED panel, and it will be supporting the LTPO 3.0 technology, which means it can have 45% less battery consumption as compared to the S22 Ultra, which is definitely help out in the battery department. The second thing which is improved is the Gorilla Glass Victus protection. Right now there is Gorilla Glass Victus 2 has been arrived, so definitely it's obvious that the S23 Ultra will be packing with same Gorilla Glass protection on the front, and same protection is going to be available for the camera sensor on the back of the device. Now, unfortunately, we have a downgrade in the selfie camera department. Here we have a 12 megapixel of a selfie camera according to leaks and rumors instead of the 40 megapixel that was found in the S22 Ultra. Moving forward to at the back side, here we have a quad camera setup similar to the S22 Ultra, but the major difference you could find in the S23 Ultra will be the new 200 megapixel camera sensor, which is going to be pretty amazing. It's going to be coming with an 8K video recording with 30 frames per second support, and also the sensor on the back side is going to be a little bit larger as compared to the S22 Ultra, which means more light is going to be coming inside, and it will give you a better quality of videos and photos. Another feature of this 200 megapixel sensor that it can give you 3 different modes like 12 megapixel mode, 50 megapixel mode, and a dedicated 200 megapixel mode, which can give you different level of quality of images in different scenarios. So definitely this is going to be a big upgrade in terms of the camera departments. Other cameras are going to be pretty much similar as compared to the S22 Ultra. No major upgrade is coming in them. Now, moving towards the internal of the device, here we have another big upgrade, and one of the good thing that is coming for the S23 Ultra, that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is going to be the official processor coming in every region. Even those regions which are coming with the Exynos processor is going to be coming with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which is going to be coming with a 45% improvement in terms of the CPU and GPU enhancement, and overall the performance of the battery is going to be much enhanced because of that. As far as the batteries is concerned, the S23 Ultra will be packing the 5000 mAh battery, which is similar to the S22 Ultra, but having the new OLED panel and a new processor is going to be more power efficient than the S22 Ultra. So combining all of them will definitely give you a better battery quality as compared to the last year. Now, another big upgrade which I really like about the S23 Ultra will be the base model storage, which is going to be upgraded to 256GB as a base storage, which is pretty crazy and really good. Now, for the pricing, we do expect a $50 price hike in the European market, where the US market is going to be coming with similar pricing as this year S22 Ultra. So guys, overall if we summarize the S23 Ultra device, then definitely the only major upgrades are in the cameras, processor, and in the display. Other than that, it's going to be pretty much similar to the S22 Ultra. So definitely I'm pretty much excited about the S23 Ultra. And you guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about the S23 Ultra? Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.